So we're going to do question 11, 4C. Point A has a position vector of negative I plus 7j. Oops, sorry. Negative I plus 9j. And point C, not vectors, I'm so sorry. Point C has a position vector of 7i minus j. Now they haven't given us point B and D, so we don't know what they are. Sorry. But we know they've said that BC is actually 4i minus 6j, and DC, like the state, is 3i plus 2j. Question A, so simple. Find the position vector of B. So now that we know what this means, we can write that down. Find the position vector of B. Well then, how now? We have A, we have BC, we have C, we have DC. Which two do you think we should use? Right. So we can say, well, we can use any one of these, but how would I get to OC? Why have I picked OC, Alan? Are you with me?
No.
Okay. Alright, so we're doing question 11 4C. Okay, so we're finding position vector B, and I've picked OC because they've also given us BC. Alright, so OC, I can go OB plus BC. So O to B and then B to C would give me OC. Now this stuff I need to figure out on my own, right? There's no rule that tells me that I need to do this. So you have to use the information given to try and put two of these together and find an unknown vector. Alright, so we know what we're trying to find OB, so we're going to make OB the subject. Alright, so I'll just move that around like so.
Would B take OB?
So I've moved that over there, and then I've just gone like that. Yeah. Sorry, that's a bit confusing. I should have written it this way. Let me just write it this way. Alright, now all I have to do is substitute my vectors in. So OC I know is 7i minus j, and take BC, that's 4i minus 6j, and that should give me OB. Simplify it. 3i plus 5j, which equals vector B. Boom. Question A, done. Questions on question A. Not sure where I got some numbers. If you have any questions like that. Okay. Position vector D, very, very similar. So we're trying to find position vector D. Let's see, I know what DC is, so maybe I could do the same. Yes, I can. I know that OD plus DC would give me OC, like so. Same thing as before, I'm going to move it around, get OD by itself. OC take DC. Okay. Same sort of thing, substitute my vectors in. Seven take 3 is 4i. Negative j take 2, negative 3j. And that's RD. Alright, question C is short, but a little bit to think about. Find BD. Well, it was hard, but now it's not, because I have position vector B and I have position vector D. So all I need to go is negative B plus D. Or I can go from BC to CD. Both ways works, and I'll show you both. So we can go from B to C plus C to D. That's going to equal BD. Or I can go B to O plus O to D, and that'll also give me BD. Two different methods, and both will give you the same answer. Now you have to be able to understand both methods. If you're not sure how I got either one of these, can you put your hand up or just maybe give me a hold on? Good? Okay. So we'll start with this one. BC. We got 4, negative 6. Sorry, I've just moved to matrix form just because it's a little bit easier. 4, negative 6. Sorry, and then plus CD, that's negative 3, negative 2. Well, it's going to give me 1, negative 8. Now let's do it this way. BO, that's negative OB, we already have OB, so that's negative 3, negative 5. Plus OD, that's 4, negative 3. So I got these two from A and B. Negative 3 take 4 is 1, negative 5 take 3 is negative 8. And as you can see, both these answers are the same. Alright, this answer is the same as that answer. Questions? Alright, so we got last one, D. We'll do D here. 11D, question 11D. We need to find the magnitude of AD. What is one possible way to go from A to D using vectors? Riley? AO to OD is correct. Let's see. I know that AO is just negative of the position vector. So that's 1, negative 9. I need to add OD, which I've already figured out. That's 4, negative 3. Yep, 4, negative 3. So add them first. 1 plus 4 is 5. Negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. I need to find the magnitude. Now, the magnitude is also an absolute value. So if you get a negative answer, make it a positive because it's an absolute value. There's no direction. Alright, so let's go 5 squared plus negative 12 squared. The square root of that would give me 5, 12, 13 triangle. Boom. Done. Questions?